Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. So in today's video what we'll be doing is it's a Mauritian Gato Bringel or Mauritian egg fritter. I'm gonna show you the batter, how I make it. I make it a little bit different because I add onions in it and green onions as well, just to have that kind of chunk and the color. I really like it, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. With this batter you can use eggplants, you can use potatoes, you can use zucchini, you can also use onions. Zucchini is so good with that, honestly, it's so good. And you can even use sweet pepper, some people like it. You just dip it in that batter. So that batter is pretty versatile, I would say. So without further ado, let's get started to that video and I'll show you my ingredients and the aftermath of what I do. So guys, I've got all my ingredients here. This is chickpea flour that you'll be needing for the batter, as well as I use the Robin Hood flour. So chickpea flour, basically normal flour. I have eggs here. These are my eggplants that I've chopped in circular shapes, as you can see, and this is the thickness of it. This is how I like it. This is green onions, just one green onions, and this is one medium onions chopped in basically square forms, cube forms. This is my bowl that I'm going to be using. I have my baking powder. You don't want to put too much baking powder because it tends to absorb oil, so you don't want it to be super oily. And this is basically food coloring, if you want to add a little bit of color to it, just for it to look a little bit more yellow. So basically that's all my ingredients and that's all you'll be needing for this recipe. Without further ado, let's get started. I will show you how I'll mix it and the quantity and all that good stuff. So guys, this is the finished Gato Bringel or egg fritter. This is how it looks like. It looks amazing. Normally what I'll do is I either make chutney, so tomato, coriander, a little bit of garlic, or if I'm lazy and I can't be bothered, then I use sriracha. It's like a hot sauce and I just eat it. I'll show you how it looks like, and I'll have a taste of it and on camera for you. So yes, this is the finished Gato Bringel. As you can see, I'm about to pop some sriracha on and then eat it, because you know, you can't be doing a cooking video and not taste the food on camera. Let me open that and then pop some on top. Ooh, I love sriracha, it's so good. And yeah, let's dive in. Guys, it's so light, it's so good, so soft, it's really good. I'm gonna take another one. It's really good. And the batter, what you can do with the batter is, if you have excess batter, just put it in the fridge. It will stay, it won't go bad. Some people, what they do is they put bread and butter and then pop it on the bread and then put sriracha on top. It's so good with tea, oh my goodness. But yeah, it's really, really good. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, give that video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Add me on Instagram at ShayNavs. I'll put it right at the bottom somewhere here. And let me know what you'd like to see in my future upcoming videos. A viewer actually asked me why I wasn't posting any like cooking stuff. So there you go. I hope that makes you happy. And yeah, let me know what you would like to see in my upcoming videos. I'm heading to work soon, so I will catch you in my next video. Bye.